Good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bishop Journey. Right now I'm in USA. फिलहाल मैं USA में ही हूँ और USA में अभी मैं पेंसिल्वेनिया में आया हूँ. पेंसिल्वेनिया का एक जगह है उसका नाम है न्यू होप. मैं अभी न्यू जर्सी से I drove from New Brunswick from New York, and it took me almost 50 minutes. I came by my car. As I move around this area, I'll show you more of these places. I hope you like my video, and as usual I'm requesting you to share my videos. Please put your comment as well so that I can improve my video, and do subscribe my channel, which is known as Bishop's Journey. Thank you. So garir kane yate machine parking kane ase ami USD $3 dilu for 1 hour aru ekhon gari khon rakhilu bolok eta town khon sao yate ki ase ki nai eta horu rail line ta ase moi I don't know koloi loi goise olop sake khuda khudi koile gom pam aru public baki jodi apni enuka etu rasta ta rakhisu otherwise apni jodi rakhibo kisman valet parking ase esobar apnar khub expensive hoy আমি গৈছিলো মানে $30 বিচাৰিছিল whereas আমি ইয়াতে $3 এক ঘন্টা আৰাম কৰি চাব পাৰিম. আমি বেরো এই জায়গাখনৰ নাম কি?
এই জায়গাখনৰ নাম হৈছে নিউ হোপ, পেনসিলভেনিয়া, বাক্স কাউন্টি, পেনসিলভেনিয়া. আৰু এই নদীটো হৈছে ডেলাৱেৰ ৰিভাৰ, নিউ জাৰ্সি, ইটো সাইড পেনসিলভেনিয়া, আৰু এয়া সাৰাউণ্ডিংছ অফ নিউ হোপ.
ওকে ওকে. আৰু ইয়াতে চাবলগীয়া কি আছে তেনেকুৱা বস্তু আমি বেরো?
চাবলগীয়া নিউ হোপত মানে জাস্ট এ কুৱেন্ট লিটল টাউন.
ওকে. এখন কি হেৰি
এইটো হৈছে এটা মেৰি
restaurant.
Restaurant.
I guess this is a hotel as well. That's Logan Inn in front of you. There is you can have lunch, dinner, cocktails, everything over here, and you can stay over here if you book it in advance. As we go further, we can see more fast food joints, restaurants over here. And being it's a weekday, so I mean you don't see much of the visitors. সৰু সৰু জুৱেলাৰী দোকানবিলাকো দেখিছোঁ, চশমা টচমাৰো আছে. এখন পেটিঅ' এটা. ধুনীয়া টাউনখন, সৰু টাউন এখন. আৰু সন্মুখত যোনটো বিল্ডিং দেখিছোঁ এইটো কয় পেৰী মেনশ্যন মিউজিয়াম. ইয়াতো মই কি আছে আপোনাক দেখাবলৈ গৈ আছোঁ. It was a Perry Mansion Museum. So when you come to this place, you can go to the museum, but unfortunately it's closed today. That's what I could see in one of the doors. That's the thing of Perry Mansion Museum. এইটো এন্ট্ৰেন্সটো এইখন সন্মুখত হৈছে Logan Inn. I guess those cycles are for rent and you can move around in the town, and I guess that's a parking for the inn. So whenever you come here you shouldn't have any parking issues. Look at that. Look at that. এই বাউলটো দেখিছে নহয় এই বাউলটোত পানী আছে এই ইমান গৰম চৰাই চিকুটি বা কুকুৰ চুকুৰ আহিলেও এটা ধুনীয়াকৈ পানী খাবৰ কাৰণে এইটো এৰেঞ্জমেণ্ট কৰা আছে ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ মানে বস্তু ৰাখিছে কাৰণ ইমান গৰম কাৰণে গৰম এতিয়া নদী পাৰৰ ওচৰত বহো অলপ ইয়াতে ইমান চাফ চুকন জায়গা এটা কোনো বস্তু নেপেলায় মানুহ লাগে ডাস্টবিন সবতে আছে such a beautiful clean town all greenery trees flowers blooming out here. Quite interesting. You can see some names over here in all the bricks of this road. All over here you can see all different kinds of names. This is very unique. বা এখন ইয়াতো সৰু টাউনখনতো শ্বপ অফ ইণ্ডিয়া বুলি এখন দোকান পাইছো It looks more like Janpat in Delhi. I'm not entering any of the restaurants or the stores, but I'm just going through the street, and you can see it through my YouTube channel Bishop Jani. The place over here. और फिर से एक मेरे को इंडियन स्टोर में दिया. This is House of India. এইটো লণ্ডনৰ হেৰি টেলিফোন বুথবিলাক হয় না দেখিছা
লণ্ডনৰ মানুহবিলাকে লাইন পাতি পাতি ফটো তুলিছে
These are Christmas candles. এইসব যোনবিলাক আছে সব candles হয় দেই মাটিত তেনেকুৱা আপুনি খুন্দিব পাৰে This is a comic shop. I guess you get all old comics over here, the vintage ones, vintage toys as well. If you're interested in comics, then you can go to get inside the store and have a look what they have for you. Once you enter this town, if you move around and you are running out of money, you can just pop into this ATM over here, down there, get your money, and you can spend again as much as you want. I'm moving towards the New Hope and Ivy Land Railroad. It's a station, small station. I guess it was very old one. Yeah. These are the different coaches of the vintage rail. Unfortunately, we cannot go inside now. It's all closed. It's for basically for people to move around and have a look, take photograph, I guess. This was how the station looked like at that point of time. This one looks more like an dining hall of the train over here. Yeah. Even moram laga platform cafe. Food, drinks, ice cream sab pai aru washroom la ko ase kya janeka dunia ka thodi. That is ladies washroom. And that's the gentleman's restroom over here. This was a ticket counter during that point of time. Whenever you come over here to this particular point, you can park your car. Then you have to buy your tickets over here. You got all the facilities over here. And this looks more like in first class. I don't know whether you could see or not, because I could see the reflection over here. you can see big trains still down there. I cannot show you from here. I think 2-3 trains are stationed here for people to take photos and see how the trains look like during that point of time. And as I told you, this was the station at that point of time. So after visiting that place, I finally reached my sister's place. Aru iman garam asli, itna garmi tha. It's time to head down to the swimming pool. I'll meet you in the swimming pool. Till then, chill out. Hey, दिन भर इतना गर्मी में था, so I've headed down to my sister's house swimming pool now. It was pretty warm, as I said you. Hope you like my video. Please keep subscribing my channel, Bishop Jani. Do share my videos. Please put your comments. I'm really tired today, too hard to speak. Thank you once again for watching my video. Remember my name, it's Bishop Jani. आशा करछू आज जिखिन जगह देखो आपन भल पाइसे और मेरा इन्फॉर्मेशन जब जितना मेरे मिला वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको शेयर किया। अगर मेरा वीडियो को लाइक अच्छा लगा तो शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग बिशप जर्नी। बाय बाय।